Peter Rice was a genius structure engineer, but he was more than that. And I think there is no frontier between an engineer and an artistic creator, a poet.
Building for Rice is a performance art.
Inventive, playful, topsy-turvy logic that actually turns out to be brilliant.
We were all boys, practically, bad boys in some way.
The glint in his Irish eyes was always that thing of, actually you can jump off the cliff, you'll find your way back.
He didn't like to lose at badminton, I'll say that about him.
I think Peter Rice was like a magician. He had tricks in order that you don't really understand when you see the structure, how it stands, but it stands.
It was just a plane of all the time this ambition of trying to just make beautiful things.
People say to me again and again, "Oh, you've had such wonderful projects." But in a way, you have to make what you can out of the commissions you get. And you know, gradually people come to you to buy surprise. And the thing that's nicest about it is that when people come to buy surprise, I have no idea what I'm going to give them either.